Hey YouTube, what's up? As promised, I'm going to show you how to fit this little sucker right here. This is the Sharkoon Silent Eagle fan. Now then, it's pointless looking at the instructions for this thing because it hasn't got any. So we're going to have to fly by wire on this one. Basically there's not much to it. I think this is these are kind of these are some little connectors that have come with it, obviously, for different kinds of connection. It looks like we're going to have to go straight into there because I don't think I've got a free PWM. I haven't got a free PWM slot for this on my motherboard at the moment. So I'm going to go straight into there. Right, so what I've done, I've connected this here. This is going to have to be tied away, this one. And then I have here another connector which is going to go into here, you see, like that. That's going to go together straight in there, no problem at all. So in it goes, that's connected now. Come down here, and there's our Sharkoon Silent Eagle. And it's going to fit onto there like that, you see, and drag some extra air out of this case, which is becoming monumentally messy, so I'm going to have to tie some of these cables back now. But let's get on and fit this fan first. Okay, so that's where we want the fan. I'm going to tuck that other cable behind like that from the other fan. This here, by the way, this is another Silent Eagle. I know I ordered this one also recently and I was quite impressed with it. This is a different Silent Eagle, even though it's actually the same model, so be careful which one you go for on Amazon, because there's obviously, I don't know if one's older, one's newer, whichever. I mean, it's pretty cool to have the two really, because they're both different, both got a different symbol on them. But this one was superior in that it came with several of these neat little voltage connectors. You could actually just change the wire. So I don't know what this one's going to run at. I mean, this one it was running at 9 volts at the moment, silent. I have no clue what this one's going to run at because I can't alter the thing, because it's just going to run straight through here and it's just going to run normally. Now I'm going to show you how to do these. This is your little rubber screw or whatever they call it. So you get 4 of these. 5 actually, you get a spare, which is good. It's always good for me because I tend to throw things down on the floor and lose them. So you get a spare in case that happens, and you get some washers. Okay, so not much left to do now. There's where we're going to have the fan, and all that's left to do is drag these things through here. Yeah, they're a bit of a pain actually, these things. You could do with some pliers maybe sometimes, but there we go. So this is the way I do them anyway. I don't know if this is right, but it's the way I've always done them. And it looks as though they aren't going to work particularly well, these, but in actual fact they do the job quite well. So okay, there's all the 4 in, there's all fan ready, and there's these washers here. Now what do we do with those? So all I'm going to do here is just put these into there, push them into the holes like screws, and they're going to go through. So it looks on the other side like this. So those things just kind of sit there. They sit kind of loose, and that is the correct way to do them, even though it looks a little strange, but it's not. It's how you do it. And then you force the washers on here like this, just to hold them in. There we go. See, like that. Just gonna put these other 2 washers on. Right, so there's the washers on there. You see, you just push them on. Let's see how close I can get in here. Probably not that close, but I hope that shows you what to do. So you see, it just kind of sits. It's not that tight, but that's okay, because that's going to just give you a little bit of movement and a little bit of play so that it's not hard onto the case, because when it's hard onto the case, that's when it's going to cause vibration when the thing spins, because the vibration from the fan's going to go through the case, you see, and be amplified. That's not what you want.